Bagong gising ka. Ayos naman may hair mo. Bagong gising si Yaj. Can you make a number 75? How do you make a number 75? Come on, here. 75. What number is that?
75.
Very good. How about number 41? Can you make the number 41?
Look, number 6.
Okay, it's okay. What number is that?
Look, number 0.
Oh, you get the number 0 first. Come on. Oo, careful, mahulog ka dyan. Okay. Now, continue. What number is that?
41.
Okay. How about number 50? Can you make the number 50? Wow, very good. How about number 44?
100.
Oh, can you make 100? How about 104? Can you make 104? Come on, you can make it 104.
No, 104.
Okay, 105. You can make 104, oh. Come on. Look at the numbers. How do you write 104? What is the first number? Okay, 1. You put the 1 here. Remove that. Put the 1 here. 1, and then, what is next? 0. Oops. And then, what is next?
0.
No more 0. 104. How do you make 104? 1, 0, and
4.
What number is that?
104.
Very good. How about 107? Can you make 107? What number is that?
107.
Very good. How about 106? What number is that?
106.
Very good. How about 109? What number is that?
109.
Very good. Good job, Yaj. Good job. Oh, come on. You make the numbers. Do the numbers. What do you want?
1.
1. Okay. How do you spell 1? Come on. Oh. Spell 1.
O-N-E.
Very good. How about the number 6? Okay. Put it there and then spell number 6.
S-I-X.
Very good. How about the number 5? Where is the number 5?
9.
Okay, 9. Spell 9.
N-I-N-E.
Very good. How about number 5? Where is the number 5? Can you spell the number 5?
F-E-V-E.
Oh, again. That's wrong. Spell number 5. Come on. F. And then I. And then Hiccup. And then, what is next to I?
E.
V, and then
E.
E. Very good. How about,
It's correct.
yeah, it's correct. Very good.
It's a correct number 5.
Yes. How about number 4? Spell number 4. Wow, can you spell number 4?
F.
Mm.
O.
Mm.
U.
Mm.
Ow.
Huwag mo artihan ng R. R, not our. R. Yeah, okay. How about, what else? 0. Can you spell 0? 0. Can you spell 0?
It's 140.
Yeah, it's 40. Or remove the number 4. Okay. Spell 0.
C.
Mm.
O.
No. Z. 0 is Z. E. What is next? Zero. Z, E, R, and then O. Very good. Remember that. 0 is Z, E, R, O. 0. Okay. Come on, you sing about numbers, Yaj. Come on. Sing about numbers, Charlie, and the numbers.
Charlie and the number 0.
Okay, come on, you sing. 1, 2. Come on.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 6, 6.
Next.
Hiccup.
Yes, hiccup. Next. What is next? 7, 8. Come on.
9,
7, 8.
9.
Lay them
10.
straight.
3.
Next. 9, 10. Let's do it again.
Again.
Yes. O, drink ka na. Nako, hiccup na yan. Istorbo. Drink. Why?
I have water.
Why? What do you want?
Hiccup.
Hiccup na naman. Come on, finish this para mawala na hiccup.
I have water.
Why ayaw water? Shh. Why ayaw water? Huwag mong tanggalin yan. Kakalat. Huwag mong alisin yung glue.
Under the blue 0. Tanggalin the blue 0.
Oo nga, bakit mo tinanggal yung blue 0?